Hello, it's been a while since I posted anything, but today we're working on a 2015 GMC Acadia, and the problem is it's throwing a spark from the bottom harmonic balancer. And so typically the cause of that is oil residue getting onto the rubber of that and then breaking down that rubber. So that's exactly what happened to us. We had a power steering leak, and of course procrastinate. Finally got it in here, changed the hose out, and now we're getting that spark from the bottom balancer pulley. So I'll get it pulled in here, and I'll get you a video and show you exactly what we're looking at there. You can see that spark there casting every so often. So that's our issue. All right, so we're up underneath the vehicle here, and what I've done is so far I've removed these two plastic clips from this. Back up here so you can see. Fold that back, and that kind of reveals everything to you. So might be able to show you a trick that nobody else has showed you, but right there, that's our tensioner pulley. We're going to take a 1/2-inch drive ratchet and get that out of there. And then when we get to that bottom balancer, a trick that my dad taught me years ago. He had an automotive shop, and got a little trick for breaking up bolt loose, because some of them can be pretty tight. So let me get this off there. I can't hold in one hand and do it here, but get this belt off and I'll grab back. All right, guys, so if I can get this thing to focus, I have a real hard time with this phone tonight. Put my ratchet up there, put it in between my A-arm, and what I'm going to do is go in there, bump the key, and with that holding the ratchet, it should break that bolt loose for us. So if you don't have a impact, this is a perfect way to break that bolt loose. Years ago, you'd take your flex plate off of your flywheel and put a screwdriver in there, and you could do it. But this is the new way of doing things. This is probably not for everybody, but it's how I do it. The way my dad showed me to do it. So let me get this set up where you guys can see, and go for bump a key. Alrighty, take that off there now, and take your bolt right out. That's the way you do that. So I don't know if that helps or not, but that's the way we've done them for years. All right, so we've got our puller on here. I'm actually using a Chrysler puller to use on this, but they're very universal. There's part number on it there. 57139 is what I'm using. They have different ones, but you just put on there and keep turning it until that pulley comes off. I shouldn't like too much further, but that's what we'll do. We'll get that off there, and I'll get back in there with you. All right, we got it all off of there. Well, that seems to be fine. It's definitely got a lot of power steering on it, but this kit comes with these rods. And what it does inside this puller, these rods slide down in there. So then it also slides inside your crankshaft. So you have to watch about putting anything too big back in there, because there is thread. So that's what these are made for, to do that with. So a lot of people use their bolt, back it out, and then put these pulleys on the outside of the bolt. I don't like doing that because it's bad for those threads in there. So what we'll do now is get our new pulley, which we have right here in our hand. And if I can do this one-handed, we will slide it up on there to take out its place. So slide it up on it, and there's a keyway right there on the back. You just gotta line it up, get it started. Some people like to use a rubber mallet and tap them. Once again, I don't really like doing that. I like using the bolt to pull it in there once you get it. As you can tell there, No spark now. Thank you for watching.